The future of dentistry, innovations shaping the industry. Dentistry has advanced a lot from its humble beginnings through technological advancements and advances creating the dental industry as it is present. From the creation that first dentists drill, to the introduction of digital imaging as well as 3D printing, dentistry's future will be better than ever. In this clip, we'll explore a few of the major developments that will change the face of dentistry in the next times. 1. Artificial intelligence in dentistry. Artificial intelligence, AI, has already begun to make waves in the world of healthcare. Dentistry is no exception. AI algorithms are currently being utilized to analyze patient data to predict dental issues and assist in developing treatments programs. Through the use of AI, dentists will be able to offer greater care that is more specific to patients, which leads to improved results and ultimately better dental health. 2. Robotics in dentistry. Utilizing robotics in dentistry is a different technology that could change the way dentistry is conducted. These systems are currently being designed to help dentists complete intricate procedures with greater speed and precision. Robots are able to navigate the dental cavity without difficulty, which makes it simpler for dentists to carry out jobs like dental extractions, implant placement, or root canals. Utilizing robotics, dentists are able to provide greater outcomes for their patients as well as reduce the possibility of human errors. 3. Augmented reality in dental education. Augmented reality, AR, is a new technology that overlays digital images onto reality, giving a vivid and immersive learning experience. For dental professionals, AR is utilized for training dental students and help practicing dentists improve their expertise. By using AR technological advancements, dentists are able to see complex dental procedures 3D and allow them to refine and practice techniques prior to performing these procedures on real patients. This does not only enhance the quality of treatment provided to patients, but also increases the educational experience to dental students. 4. Teledentistry. It is an increasing trend which lets patients receive dental services remotely, with no needing to visit an office for dental care in person. By using digital imaging and video conferencing, dentists can identify oral health concerns, give advice on treatment, and give prescriptions to patients within the privacy of their residence. Teledentistry is particularly helpful for people living in rural or underserved areas that might have limited access to dental treatment. In bridging the gap that exists between dentists and patients, it is improving general accessibility and affordability of dental care. 5. 3D printing in dentistry. 3D printing technology has been a huge impact in the world of dentistry by permitting the manufacture of custom dental implants, dental crowns, as well as orthodontic appliances. Through 3D printing, dentists have the ability to produce precise dental restorations which are specifically tailored to each individual's demands. It does not just cut down the cost and time involved to traditional procedures for dental, however, it also increases the overall quality and appearance of the finished result. Since 3D printing continues to develop, it is possible to find more and more creative ways to use it in dental procedures. Conclusion. The future of dental care is promising, with revolutionary advances in technology and innovations that are creating one that is more precise, efficient, and a patient-centric sector. The use of robotics and artificial intelligence, as well as the integration of technology like augmented reality and teledentistry, possibilities of innovations in dentistry are endless. In the years ahead, we will continue pushing the limits of technology and adopt different ways of providing dental care. The next phase of dentistry is certain to be a much more exciting and satisfying one for the patients as well as the practitioners.